2020, the year that changed the world. The year that supposedly changed recruitment. Or did it? Life is forever changing, and whilst we have a new normal to contend with, is it really that much different for recruiters? Because recruiters have always needed to be agile. Candidate experience has always been a top priority, and a diverse workforce has always been business critical. But obviously things have changed, like working from home and Zoom calls. And whereas having our kids come into our home office, mid-meeting with our boss, or even an interview with the BBC, before COVID, this might have been seen as something to be a little bit embarrassed about. But now it's almost expected. It's normal. Kids, dogs, builders banging in the background, messy bedrooms, untidy kitchens, nothing really is considered outside the norm anymore. So maybe change is the new normal. Of course, before COVID, way back when in 2019, if you can remember that far back, we could argue the rationale for not changing was because we've always done it this way. But now we can't get away with that's how we did it, because change is the new world of new normal, and things are different. But this amount of change has put recruiters in the spotlight like never before. Recruiters are on the front line of hiring the people that are keeping the economy going, keeping toilet rolls on the supermarket shelves. But changing your hiring process on a daily basis as your company reacts to the changing needs of the world we live in is really, really tiring. Lockdown, no lockdown, tier 1 or tier 3, hire these people, don't hire these people, now hire these people instead. You have to think smart, not hard, to survive today. And with so many more candidates to serve, who also don't know what will happen next week, they have even greater expectations. Now it's even more personal than ever before, and that puts significant demands on the application process, so it needs to be more engaging and relevant, faster and more efficient. Which means you can't afford to be sending emails from a notifications at type address. It's nonsense. When the system sends them an email, it needs to be smarter, like TalentLink, so that it's from you, so it's personal. So the email is from you, not from notifications, so it goes directly into the candidate's inbox instead of their junk box. So they know that it's you that's replied. And if you need to go quicker than email, that's fine with us. Simply send Mel or Mike a text. Fast, efficient, direct to the phone, personal. And let's be honest, QR codes are back. Fair enough, we're all using them to record our time in a restaurant, to connect to the NHS app, but also from a hiring point of view. Scan, go, straight to the job. Or maybe a bot, you choose, not us. Automation with a bit of bot personality, maybe it keeps it a bit more engaging, but it's definitely more efficient, saving time for everyone. And of course, now that we're all used to video, maybe it's time for the hiring manager to get involved. Let them show their personality to the candidates. Use TalentLink to send them an invite to record a welcome video, and then you can simply add it to the job. Let Mel see who she'll be working for. Make it personal. It's a far smarter way of working. But don't let bias creep in. Make sure you encrypt Mel's details so no personal data is shared until you and the system decide. Set it up in the workflow, in advance, and unlike humans, the machine won't forget. Set it and forget it. Unless you need to change it, whenever you want, because you are in control, not us. Also, get the system to do what it can to help. Use the TalentLink standard diversity reports to monitor your progress and see if you need to make some changes at all. Or not. Or just keep others informed whenever you need. Real time, once a week, once a month. You decide. You're in control. But of course, as I said earlier, agility is nothing new for recruiters, which is why TalentLink was built originally to give you that control to allow you to be agile. If you don't like the dashboard, Make it your own. Need a better view? Add your own filters so you work the way you want. Be in control of your ATS, not constrained by your ATS. Don't get deafened by the noise of what every other busy recruiter is doing. Just see what you need to see. And when you need to switch hats from recruiter to marketer, there's no need to log out. TalentLink has CRM built in. But I'm not just talking about sending a few system emails. You're able to build dedicated, fully automated email marketing campaigns. You can link a campaign to a job, or a skill, or both. You can have as many automated emails as you want, but you can also tell the system what to do if a candidate takes action. If they join your talent pool, they apply for a job, whatever you choose. You tell the system when you set up your campaign, and that's it. No need to remember to switch your campaign off, because it's designed to save you time by removing those manual steps that you can easily forget. We call it smart marketing. But what if you need to do all of this, but not in English? Fine, we've got you covered. Any language, every field. German, French, English, Italian. 43 languages. And as you'd expect, with multiple languages comes multiple currencies. Report how you want, not how we tell you to report. We know you don't want your cost per hire report for Italy to be in US dollars. You'll be pleased to know our system is smarter than that. Which is why what we build is controlled by you, and everything we do includes old normal and new normal as standard. So recruiters can remain agile, they give candidates a great experience, and your diversity hiring objectives are met as you need them to be, in a way you need them to be. And of course, there's so much more. TalentLink has been built for the smarter recruiter who just wants to hire as normal. See how TalentLink can work for you. Book a demo today.